Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a Telegram channel, which is sort of like a one-way broadcast channel. So this is pretty useful if you're an influencer with an audience following you. You can have a Telegram channel to post updates in. So the difference between this and a group chat is that group chats, usually anybody can send messages, but in a channel, it's restricted to a one-way channel, so only the creator can send messages here. So to get started, let's open up our Telegram application and click on the menu in the top left. So this opens up a small window and then let's click on new channel. So let's give it a channel name. Let's call this announcements and a description, which is optional. You can also change the group photo by uploading your own and clicking on this icon. But for now, I'll keep that as is. I'm gonna go ahead and click on create. So here you can set the privacy, whether it's public or private. If it's public, anyone can find the channel in search. And if it's private, only people with an invite link can join. I'll keep this to private for now, and it automatically gives me an invite link. I'm going to click on save, and then I'm going to invite my other account. So now the channel has been created, and let's say I want to broadcast a message. So let's say work meeting at 5 p.m. This is just a very generic announcement. I'm gonna go to my other account and see that I am unable to reply to this broadcast channel. So that's what it would look like on the other end. Gonna go back to my alternate account and show any other settings. So you can also click on the manage channel tab here in the small context menu, and you can change different settings like who are the administrators, the subscribers, the active invite links, and more importantly, the discussion. So you can click on discussion to add a group. And this is more for people who want to talk about posts or messages sent in this broadcast channel. So let's say create a new group, create, and save. So now this announcement chat is directly linked to this announcement broadcast channel. So here people can leave a comment. It should redirect them to the announcements chat. So that was a quick rundown on how to set up a broadcast channel on Telegram. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.